Euro USD. Now we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, if we refer to my last video, we mentioned that we are within this move. We are not sure how high it can go, but from what we can see, the price drop and break the trend line. Now the question is, this is the start of the down move, or we can expect a big correction. That means we get the big correction for the continuation for the up move. Okay, and from what I can see, I don't think this is the start of the down move. That means mostly we will get a bigger correction. Okay, that means if anyone wants to look for sell based on higher, I mean for long term, that means they need to bear in mind that maybe we don't get the down move. We get, I mean, the sell can, any sell will be based on lower time frame and short term sell. What I'm talking based on this is if we're going to keep the trade for the long term. Okay, maybe we don't get it, maybe we get the bigger correction, and mostly we can expect we will get a bigger correction and the price can go higher. Anyway, we don't have much more information. In this case, we will move to lower time frame. We see how we can trade. As we can see, even based on forward chart, the price drop. Now the thing is, can we expect this is the correction we can put in relative to this? This one will be 1, 2, 3 as a correction, and may remove. Can we expect, can we put this one in relative to this? Then we will have 1, 2, 3 in relative to these two. We will have the big correction in relative to this for the next move up. This is one of the options also we need to bear in mind. Okay, that's why I say maybe we'll get the bigger correction. It doesn't mean exactly we will get this. Okay, maybe we'll have another correction here after the price come to this. Then we will have a bigger correction. We are not sure how the correction can form. Okay, anyway, now we want to see how we can trade it. Right now, in this case, if I move to lower time frame, okay, as we can see, based on lower time frame, we had this correction, the small, I mean, we have this short-term sell. Okay, now the thing is, maybe we'll get one move sell here. That means if we're looking for sell, any sell we consider as a short-term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. Okay, that's why we mentioned maybe we get one more sell here, similar to any of this. In this case, if we're going to look for sell, based on what we have right now, we can have entry below this. And if we get the trade, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it because we are not sure how deep this one can go. Okay, how about if we get a bigger correction here? If we get a bigger correction here, then we are not going to look for, that means if we get a big correction, then we are not going to look for look for having entry below this. This is, then the one is not valid. Then we look for sell, we look for the trade setup. Okay, rather than that, we don't have any other trade setup. Do we need to look for buy? We don't have any buy setup here, but if we get the buy, also we can look for buy. Okay, the only way we can look for buy if we get the continuation of the up move and the correction. This is what I can see from what we have right now. Rather than that, we don't have any more information if we want to look for buy, because as I say, we are not sure how deep this one can go. Okay, anyway, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then or any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Right now, if you want to look for sell, this is the only option. It depends whether the how deep it can go, and anyone who wants to trade, again, this trade will be short-term trade. Thanks.